here is another 3D printer. So check. It's open. 这个一个 3D 打印需要多长时间？
那得跟他们
哦，这个一个3D 打印需要多长时间？
这个1个半小时。
1个半小时。
对，这个
1.5 hours. It can be print something like a difficult, complicated. 这个用的材料是什么东西啊？
PLA 是这个。
哦，so like the
类似于塑
material.
料，
哦，
是玉米做的，
玉米做的吗？
玉米的提取物做的。
Oh, it's eco-friendly. It's made from corn.
石粉吗？您这儿？
It's made from corn,
我们
and
都
this
是
material
PLA
can
的
be used, and
因为
it's,
这是 PLA 的打印机。
这个也需要1个半小时吗？还是？
这个大概2个半。
哦，this one is take like 2.5 hours. 哦，好 new. So how they put like in the shape of this. Oh, this one is like a colorful, and this one is a monochrome, only one color, and this is a multiple color, like you can say colorful. This one is also, look, he's making something, another model. And the most important thing is it's made from corn, so it's eco-friendly. They make a lot of things. Let's check.